3D shapes quiz. Which 3D shapes look like a ball? A. Sphere, B. Cube. Question number 2. Which 3D shape looks like a box with 6 equal square faces? A. Cube, B. Cylinder. Question number 3. Which 3D shape looks like a tin can? A. Cylinder, B. Cone. Question number 4. Which 3D shape has a flat circular base and a pointed top like an ice cream cone? Question number 5. Which 3D shape looks like a dice used in a board games? A. Sphere, B. Cube. Which 3D shape has 4 triangular faces and looks like a pyramid in Egypt? A. Pyramid, B. Cylinder. Which 3D shape has 6 rectangular faces but not all sides are equal? A. Cuboid, B. Sphere. Which 3D shape looks like a ball stretched out like a rugby ball? A. Ellipsoid, B. Cube. Which 3D shape has many flat faces like a gemstone? A. Polyhedron, B. Cone. Which 3D shape looks like the Earth? A. Sphere, B. Cylinder.